Welcome back. In previous video we made this wireframe. Now let's make a UI for our app. So go to home, create a new team. Let's name it. You can name it whatever you want. So currently I'm naming it Latofato app project 1. Create a team. So I'm currently working solo. I'm gonna skip for now. So currently I'm using a free version. That's why I'm gonna choose starter. If you have professional plans, you can choose them. So let's click on choose starter. So you can see our team name and the color of our team. Now let's go to wireframe and let's move this wireframe to our team. You can see the color of our team and the team project move. Okay, our file is moved now. Click on team project. You can see our wireframe. I think we not gonna need this, so let's delete this one. And click on team project and click on plus button and create a design file. So you might be thinking the wireframe is look different because I accidentally deleted that previous wireframe. So that's why I created this wireframe again. So that's why it looks different. So let's rename it. Let's choose a frame. Press F. Choose iPhone 11 Pro Max. So in wireframe you can see the first page is for our brand name. So that is Latofato. So let's create that first frame. Let's rename it. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. So let's choose a text. Okay, let's increase the font size of this text up to like 64. Okay, and let's change the font into Sansita. Let's place it in the middle. Okay, let's align this font first the vertically and then horizontally. Okay, it is aligned now. At the center, select the frame and let's change the color of it. So currently the color is white, so I'm gonna choose the red. So currently it is solid, so let's make it gradient. So choose linear, change the second color into purple, or you can like choose any color you want. Let's increase the opacity of the second color. Okay, now it looks cool. So if you want, you can adjust your gradient like this. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, I think I select the different font. So select the font and this is the one we required for this project. Okay, so let's align it together vertically and horizontally at the center. Okay, it is aligned now. Let's make it white so it will look more better like this. Okay, our first frame is created now, that is brand name page. So you can see in the wireframe, this is the brand name and this is the page. So in next video we are gonna create this sign in page. So that's it for today's video and I will see you guys in the next one.